This is 7 National News, and in our top story, Egyptian President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi and French President François Hollande have agreed to resume coordination and cooperation between the two countries to uncover the circumstances of the Egyptian plane's disappearance. In a press statement, Egypt Air has announced that their flight MS804 from Paris to Cairo with 56 passengers and 10 crew on board disappeared this morning from the radar. A major search and rescue operation has been launched by Egyptian and Greek authorities to find the remains of the aircraft, with reports of a flash in the sky over the Mediterranean. According to the airline's Twitter account, flight MS804 lost contact with radars at 2:45 a.m. Cairo time, about 280 kilometers from the Egyptian coast, and was expected to arrive at Cairo airport at 3:15 a.m. The airline also released the nationalities of the passengers on board, which included 15 French and 30 Egyptian passengers. No official announcement related to the cause of the incident has been revealed. The World Health Organization Regional Office for Europe has said the Zika virus could spread to Europe during late spring and summer, but the risk level is low to moderate. The Global Health Organization added that the risk varies across the WHO European region, but is higher in countries where Aedes mosquitoes are present. A total of 36 European countries have a low, very low or zero likelihood of Zika virus transmission, according to the report. 18 countries have a moderate likelihood, and limited geographical areas such as the island of Madeira and the northeastern coast of the Black Sea have a high likelihood of local Zika virus transmission due to the presence of the Aedes aegypti mosquito, the primary Zika vector. Overall, the results show that across the WHO European region, the risk is low to moderate during late spring and summer. Dubai's Transport Authority has announced that new parking fees across the Emirates will be brought in on the 28th of May. The Roads and Transport Authority said in a statement that the decision to revise the parking fee structure in Dubai was prompted by the need to find solutions for the problem of the decreasing number of vacant parking slots in congested parts of the city. The RTA added the fee hike does not affect 77% of the total number of paid parking slots in Dubai, which amounts to about 130,000 spaces. The RTA did not outline the fees other than to say the fare in multi-level parking terminals has been raised from 3 dirhams to 5 dirhams per hour, but it has previously been reported that the amended tariff rates for parkings on the side of the street include 2 dirhams for 30 minutes, 4 dirhams for 1 hour, 8 dirhams for 2 hours, 12 dirhams for 3 hours, and 16 dirhams for 4 hours. The parking tariff is applicable for 14 hours per day from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. on working days. The tariff is not applicable on Fridays and official holidays. The Sharjah Economic Development Department has confiscated thousands of counterfeit products found in warehouses in the industrial areas during its inspection campaigns. According to the department, their inspectors have seized 35,848 fake auto spare parts worth 300,000 dirhams from a warehouse in Sharjah industrial area. The inspectors also seized 92,948 bottles of fake perfumes copying international brands from other warehouses. According to the department, the accused, who will have to face a fine of up to 500,000 dirhams each and a closure of their premises. If the products are found to be affecting public health, they will be referred to police and public prosecution. The official urged the public as well as companies to report any kind of counterfeit goods by calling their toll-free number service line on 600 56 7777. Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque in Abu Dhabi and Dubai's Burj Khalifa have been ranked among the world's top 25 landmarks on the popular TripAdvisor website. Travel site TripAdvisor has ranked the Sheikh Zayed Mosque in Abu Dhabi as the second most favoured or preferred destination to visit under the Traveller's Choice category after Machu Picchu in Peru. The beautiful mosque, named after the country's founding father, the late Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, is located at the entrance of Abu Dhabi and is one of the most popular landmarks of the capital city. Sheikh Zayed Mosque was rated ahead of other major landmarks such as the Taj Mahal, Eiffel Tower, Turkey's Hagia Sophia, as well as London's Big Ben. Burj Khalifa is another UAE landmark that features in the list at number 22. With a height of 828 meters, the tower was unveiled to the world on the 4th of January 2010 and continues to attract thousands of visitors every day at the observation deck as well as by the Dubai fountain. A unique art exhibition titled Shifting was showcased in Dubai, where two artists looked at ways to interpret and explore our physical space, while also using natural landscapes to highlight the concept of interconnectedness in real life. While talking about her artworks displayed at the Al Fahidi historical neighborhood in Dubai, the Turkish artist Banu Kolak stated that all her works are based on UAE's landscapes, which tell their own story. And her aim is to encourage people to look deeper and also question what they see. Revealing that all her installations are hand-cut, the Turkish artist mentioned that she deliberately created holes in her paperwork to create an optical illusion, allowing people to witness the changing reality on the surface that cannot be seen with the naked eye. Also showcasing her artwork is Naz Shahrokh, an Iranian artist who is using nature as a subject to explore how we are all interconnected, and focuses her attention on how various elements in our daily life binds us all together. By using various natural landscapes in Cyprus, Naz explains that she is utilizing the silver thread in all her images as a metaphor to prove that we are connected in real life, and she is hopeful that people visiting her artwork will be able to correlate with the notion of reaction in action.
This installation is made of 72 paperwork, and they are all hand-cut, really delicate squares on it. It has a grid system, vertical and horizontal lines, like a actually map system, like a grid maps. And I'm trying to give an idea how landscape is important for us, and what is the change in reality on the surface. In my work, I am trying to create kind of illusion, textural illusion and textural effect. I'm cutting the paper and I'm just digging the hole. I am creating holes. Maybe by the help of these walls, holes, tiny holes, I'm going to let the people look at them a little bit more deeper on the landscape. Through to insight, maybe they can see the history, maybe they can see the different realities, different memories.
I'm utilizing nature and landscape, and specifically trees, as a metaphor to symbolize things. And these things could be humans, it could be all living things, all beings. And sort of when you're looking at the image, you can sort of see the silver cord. In metaphysics, we talk about the silver cord that connects us to God and to all. I'm utilizing silver thread, and I'm sort of weaving object to object, and the tree as the metaphor for the thing that's connected. It could be symbolized as people, it could be symbolized as individual entities that are interconnected.
And finally, in the bulletin, for those of you still undecided about what to wear for Ramadan and Eid festivities, which are around the corner, you can get fashion tips at City Walk, as the Fashion Walk has returned for its second edition. After what has been described as a successful first edition in February this year, the Fashion Walk has returned to the outdoor retail destination and will continue until Saturday, the 21st of May. The Fashion Hub has brought creations of over 75 local fashion designers and professionals, showcasing the most elegant and unique pieces with customized designs. Visitors to the Fashion Walk can browse through abayas, dresses and kaftans, as organizers aim to attract fashionistas of all ages. Similar to the previous edition, the event is also offering a style makeover for students, young women, businesswomen and housewives. Commenting on the second edition, the CEO of event organizer Quadro stated that aside from offering fashion tips for the festivities, the event aims to support entrepreneurship among UAE nationals by developing their business ideas and projects.
The Fashion Walk, it's located in the City Walk, and this is not the first time we organize such an event. It's going to be for 5 days, and we gather all local brands under one umbrella to showcase their collection. The fashion exhibition gathers local designers to preview their collection, and it's for Ramadan and Eid al-Fitr.